Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another BTC Analyze with the FRENCHYBRO team. So like you all know now, we're doing a video twice a week about BTC, what the market is doing, where the price we think is going, and where we're going to do our next trade. So make sure you like and follow us to the YouTube channel, or you follow us on Twitter, or into our free Discord and Telegram. We post also our analyze over there. So if you want to see our charts, our BTC analyze, or all other coins, we do pretty much alts like Ethereum, Sol, and everything. So make sure you jump into it and you look at it, because we post pretty much like every 2 days or daily also some charts on Twitter. So if you want to see find some setup or understand the price action, you should check it out. So let's quickly jump into the chart and see what BTC is doing. If you follow, or if you already follow us, you should have known we posted all our area of interest. And when we're going to dive into the video, we're going to see that we pretty much respect our target, which is pretty good. So make sure you check, guys. So last time we did a video was last Friday, and we were at the black arrow on the chart, as you can see just on the chart over here. And we just said in a video, so I pretty much advise you to check our last video. We said we still ranging in that range, like we started a month ago. I'm pretty sure, like yeah, I think it's pretty sure a month ago.
It was,
yeah, like a pretty long range. We just been ranging between the bottom of the channel, top of the channel, bottom of the channel. So yeah, pretty nice and respected from the price action. And on Friday we said not much to do, guys. We are at the bottom of the range, so you got one rules, guys. You play the range until it breaks. Nothing else you can do. We can't see the future, so we just play the range until it breaks. Or if you can see any sign of bearishness, to go to the lower, to break down out of the range, or to break up of the range. So you have to see what the price is doing. So we enter a quick long into our VIP, actually, so which some of us, so he did like 1 to 2 hours, which is good. So because just simple, guys, we see some reaction on the bottom of the channel, so we just trigger long, and then we advise we wanted to short. Unfortunately, the short was at 5 a.m., so it's pretty hard to see. But otherwise, if you looked at our analyze that we posted on Twitter, we said we could see some reaction at the Monday high and to get rejected to target lower down. And we finally break out of its range yesterday. So a nice big breakout. That's actually normal to have a nice sharp breakdown to that range, especially when you range for so long. You're not gonna have a small move. So I don't think the move is finished. We have to see what the price is gonna give us. But we have a nice breakdown. You can see like straight away went to Monday high, grab the high, and just get rejected straight away to our first area of interest. So that's why it's pretty interesting, this video. So make sure you stay until the end, guys, because Sedos is going to explain to you what we think. But as you can see, we went to our first area of interest. Yesterday was Monday, so it's pretty important. We got a nice Monday high and Monday low, so a nice Monday range. So to give us like a kind of a direction for what's gonna happen for the week. So I'm going to let Sedos explain to you what we think. Are we going to keep dropping down? Are we going to re-enter the previous range and maybe see a continuation up? This is what we're going to dive in, and where we think we're going to trigger a short or a long. So stay with us. So Sedos, go for it. Explain to us what you think about the price action right now.
Thank you, FRENCHYBRO. So yes, as you said, we're gonna again play our beautiful Monday range setup. So I'm gonna start straight away. If you are looking for long, so you want to wait for the price to sweep Monday low, so it can be a sweep like this or anywhere around here. But as soon as you get a reclaim with a bullish shush, that's where you want to trigger your long setup. So that's for the long area. You're gonna target the sublocal range low, sorry, so at 25.36, because you can expect price to react just here. As you can see, that was support for a long time. So on the way back up, you can expect price at least, or that could be your target, your TP, but you could take profit on that long. If price doesn't sweep that area, and push straight back up, you are going to look for shorts. Sorry, I'm not too sure what's going on with this. Going up all the way. So looking for shorts at the sub range low right here. So on the market structure shift on the lower time frame, you could trigger back down to support or higher. So the next area that you want to have your eyes on will be the previous daily support. You can just see here 29.76K level. So that's an area where you could trigger another short as well, market structure shift just here. And if you keep pushing higher, then you are looking at your weekly and Monday high. So weekly open and Monday high, wait for the grab again, price goes back under, and on the shift, you trigger back down to short to support. So that's your TP on the back down, the lows, or as well look for this area, because if we do get just a bullish retest of the daily support, that price could go higher. So that's for your shorts. And if it doesn't, from there, I'm just going to get rid of all this. So if price doesn't do anything and start to break down, so you want to wait, hopefully. So if you get the opportunity, because it might not as well, it's pretty much just on the breakdown, retest your mid channel or Monday low, and on the shift again, you trigger a short. So why is this important? Because you can see again, low traffic area or imbalance or whatever, straight candles, there's not much support until here, so which is our next area of interest, because there's a monthly level just here.
Yeah, it's gonna be really quick if he goes as well on that one.
Exactly. So you might not get a retest, but if you do get a bearish retest, that's where you want to trigger. So if we're going back onto the thing, so that was the big local range this year that we've been on since pretty much 4 months. When was that? So that was March. Yeah, there's still bigger. So it's a range into a range, big range, sub-local this year. We're breaking down. That's the mid of the range. So if something happen here, bearish retest, you're targeting that area first or the range low if it keeps going through. So we just have to see what price is doing. So as well with FOMC and all that, you can expect. So I'm not sure we're going to get a lot of volatility today, but by tomorrow, I think it's FOMC tomorrow.
Yeah,
tomorrow,
a lot of things.
You can expect price to move a bit more. So we just have to wait and see for now. But that's your option. So you get pretty much three setup ID and plan. Of the price.
And if you get nothing and you see nothing and price just drop down and without giving you anything, what do? You just do nothing, guys. You just wait until you see something clear. Yeah, because you're just gonna, especially on this type of area, and when you don't try to catch a knife, you're just gonna end up losing money. Trust me. So just wait for something clear, or the price to stabilize a little bit, to see anything bullish or bearish to trigger something, guys. Don't FOMO right now, because the people I explained to everyone on Twitter yesterday again. If you jump on a 15-minute chart, sellers, like for the drop from yesterday, you see, you can see you got the first drop. You see the first wick into the green area. And I say to everyone, it's not time to FOMO long. As you can see the first wick, the first one, So I told people to don't FOMO long on that one. So many people got FOMO long, and what happened? Just price come back down, sweep everyone, and just trapped all those fresh long. So that's why you wait, and this can still happen. So you just wait for now.
Exactly.
That's it. Do you have anything to add, Celos, on Bitcoin?
No, that's all. That's just finally we got a bit of got out of that range. I mean,
I feel like we might into another range, like we've been doing for ages anyway. So that's it.
Or that could be just a big. It could just reintegrate as well. It could be just a big deviation, and then just go back up and go back up.
Yeah. Anyway, we just trade level to level, so it doesn't matter for us anyway. But yeah. Cool. So like you all know, make sure you follow us on Twitter or you subscribe to your YouTube channel, because we're gonna post more charts and all coin chart as well. And if you got a little bit of knowledge about price action and anything, you will be able to find some setup thanks to our analyze. So make sure you go on it, guys, because what we post on Twitter is what we actually use for enter our trades. So make sure you check it out. So thanks, Tedos. Thanks, everyone. And we're going to do another video if the price do something. See you guys.